Hi! In front of me is Nokia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and choosing apps and notifications. Over here click on advanced, tap on permission manager and pick one of your phone's features like location. Then you need to select one of your apps like Chrome and pick one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with deny, so now I have to click on deny it anyway, just in this case, because this is Chrome. And when I go back, I can see that Chrome no longer has access to this device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select see all Chrome permissions over here, and adjust all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!